Hello friends, welcome to Cook with Janvi. Today we are going to cook our next recipe, that is Khaman Dhotla. So let's see the ingredients. We will take 1.5 cup of besan, water as per the requirement, half teaspoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt. Here it is half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 packet of lemon soda, that is Eno. Now let's make the batter. Here we take besan, half teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix the batter well. Now we will pour water into it slowly and steadily. We have to make the batter consistency proper such that it is neither too thin and nor too thick. See here, the batter is now ready. We will check the consistency properly and we will keep now the batter at rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we will prepare the microwave at the setting of 3 minutes and grease the bowl. Here the batter is at rest for 10 minutes. Now we will grease the micro bowl. A little bit of oil in the bowl and here is the napkin for greasing. Grease the bowl properly. It's done. Now we will add Eno to the batter. And mix it well. See that the batter becomes fluffy as soon as we pour Eno into it. So now we will pour the batter into the micro bowl. We just flatten the batter. And the batter is ready. Here our microwave is ready and now we will keep our batter into the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, our dhotla is getting ready. We should get prepared our seasoning. So here we take 1 cup of water, 1 nimbu, 2 green chilies, half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of sugar. So in a pan we take a little bit of oil at a low flame. We will put green chilies into it and saute it. We will put salt into it, sugar into it and mix it well. Now we will pour water into it. Now it's the time for Nimbu. Cook it till it comes to a boil and our seasoning is ready. See here, our dhotla is ready. So check it by pricking a fork into it. It's a clean fork by coming out. So it means that dhotla is ready. Now we will put seasoning into it. Now the dhotla is out. We will put seasoning into it. Slowly and steadily we will put it. It will sort the water slowly. This is our dhotla is ready, which is tasty and yummy. So thank you very much all. Stay home, stay safe.